Get a check on the forecast now with meteorologist Pete Malone.
Well, Bree, nothing in the tropics, but we're tracking a big complex of storms moving in. This just in, a new severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for the entire North Shore until 1 p.m. So what this means is this is the zone where we think there's a greater chance of seeing severe thunderstorms. Take a look at the graphic here. It includes parts of the river parishes. It does not include the immediate metro on the South Shore, but it does include the lakes. So we're going to watch this. We're more confident the severe storms will impact areas north of the metro, but still watching it on the South Shore. When does this all go down? Well, here in the next few hours, we'll probably start to see these storms push on through 7, 8 o'clock this morning. And then I do think the severe weather threat will wrap up in our area during the later morning hours. And then this afternoon could see a few more showers and storms pop up. Outside of that, just going to be hot. All right, here's what we're watching. The big complex of storms out to our west, just a tremendous amount of lightning. A new confirmed tornado has been confirmed just to the east of Lafayette, just crossed the Basin Bridge area. That's near Henderson. That flashing polygon there is the confirmed tornado. So that was a little cell ahead of that main line as it pushes to the east. It's moving at about 40 miles per hour or so. So that confirmed tornado has now passed I-10 and is pushing up into the Atchafalaya Basin there. So that's going to continue to travel north as the main line continues to travel to the east. Again, at about 40 miles an hour. This is a rough estimate. Don't lock it down to the minute, but within probably 15 to 30 minutes of the time here is when you will start to see the chances for storms increase. Closer to 6 a.m. for Baton Rouge, Morgan City 6:30, Amite 7 o'clock, Hammond 7 a.m. or so, Homa by 7:20, Destrehan and Luling by 7:45, Mandeville 7:59, New Orleans after the 8 a.m. or so. And that's if this line maintains its current speed and its intensity. But again, this is going to continue to push to the east, and we'll see what it looks like once it gets here. So this is going to push on through today. It'll be with us this morning. By this afternoon, that pushes out. If the atmosphere can re-energize, could see a couple more storms pop up later in the afternoon hour. We're not done with the rain either. Again, a couple severe thunderstorms, gusty winds, and maybe an isolated tornado. That risk for storms continues tomorrow and into Thursday. That risk for severe weather is isolated, but it is there. I think tomorrow is going to be one of the wetter days across the region. This is Wednesday afternoon. Widespread scattered showers and storms popping up. Some slow movers, so we'll also be watching for maybe some heavy rain that can lead to street flooding. Thursday into Friday, still a chance for rain, but becoming more isolated in nature, and it still looks like Saturday is dry. Sunday is going to be mostly dry, and we'll get our lower humidity in here, so we're still thinking it's going to feel nicer Saturday and Sunday mornings, at least a little bit better with that drier air. But again, watching the storms roll in this morning, more scattered storms tomorrow, a few more storms Thursday into Friday, and then things begin to taper off as we head into the upcoming weekend. But be careful with that morning drive here in the next few hours. Our marine forecast, nothing major except for those storms blowing through. I don't recommend getting out on the water right now. Wait until these thunderstorms push through our weekend later on this morning. Your pressure is steady right now, by the way. High tide's going to happen late morning, early afternoon, and that low tide's going to happen as we head into later on tonight.